Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Chantal. This is my basic journey. I live and travel in a minivan with my dog Joey, and we're currently in Quartzsite, Arizona. In the last video, I showed you guys that I was at Schoolypalooza, and it was such a freaking blast. I'm like having post-festival depression, kind of. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, you just use up all your serotonin, and then afterwards, you just kind of feel like, man, like, I wish I was still there. But yeah, I left yesterday and I had to do all of my errands, so I didn't record that just because I feel like I've shown you guys me doing laundry and getting groceries like a million times. Oh, yeah. And so the night before, like the last night that we were there, I woke up to my dog throwing up all over the bed. Yeah, and it was like liquid. It was so gross. So I had to do all of my laundry anyways. Like, I had already planned on washing the sheets and stuff, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But then last night I like tried to get him to go outside to go potty, and he didn't want to, so I literally picked him up, put him outside, and was like, go potty, Joey. He didn't go. And so I was like, okay, well, he doesn't have to go potty. And then this morning I woke up and I could have sworn that a human made this giant pee spot. It was huge. I was like, how did that much come out of your little body? Why didn't you go potty when I told you to? So now we're back at the laundromat doing laundry again, washing my sheets and all of my blankets because Joey went potty on the bed. Hey Joe, did you go potty in the bed? Bud, what happened? Are you alright? Are you okay? It's like he knows he did something wrong. Like, he doesn't even want to look at me. Are you okay, little bud? I was worried, man. You have never done that before. It makes me nervous. Are you okay? Or is it just because you didn't go potty before we went to bed like normal? What was up with that, dude? You okay? I think we're gonna have to give you a bath too, Joey. Yeah. Because you had it like all over your leg. Because you like laid in it. Which is pretty gross, bud. Alright, you guys, I decided to go to the Big Ten event first before I went to the post office just because I can't get general delivery until 11. So I have about an hour. So we're just gonna walk around this big tent area, see some of the vendors, see some of the stuff they have. Should be fun. Joey's coming too. We got pots and pans, Joey.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, bud. Ooh, what is that guy doing? All right, you guys, I was able to pick up my package. I also got 3 boxes of wood. It was 3 for $30, so it was a pretty good deal. Otherwise, it was 2 for $24, so I'm like, okay, $6 more, get another box. We're gonna have some fires. I also was able to pick up my package. I just wanted to make a little statement about this. If you guys noticed that I deleted my mailing address from my description box, the reason why is because the last 2 packages that I had to get sent to me, nothing I ordered myself. This one was $73 and the last one was over $100. So as much as I appreciate you guys sending me things, I just can't afford to keep shipping things that are so expensive. So I don't know what's in here yet. We're gonna wait until we get to our campsite to open it. I'll show you guys and we'll see what cost me $73 to ship. All right, let's get to our campsite. All right, you guys, we just turned onto Plumosa Road. And if you guys remember, I came here a couple weeks ago and I showed you guys in a video like all the different camping areas that there are in Quartzsite. Plumosa Road is the one that I went to in that video. But we're gonna pass the camping area that I am used to. And apparently if you just keep going down this road, it keeps going to another camping area.
In a quarter mile, keep left to stay on Plumosa Road.
Okay. Keep left. It does not look like the road changes at all. Like, I don't...
Keep left to stay on Plumosa Road.
Okay, bud. Nancy, you are on crack. Oh, she's talking about that road. We have officially made it to our new campsite. Those are my friends over there. Their names are Sarah and Aaron. Sarah's working right now and I needed to get everything put away. It's still a disaster. Like, look at all that stuff up there. Just so much stuff. But I wanted to open up this package that I got because it's from one of you guys. It's very heavy. I don't know what could be in here. I'm very intrigued. Wow, you guys, you can really tell that I've been in Arizona for a while because my face is like 4 shades darker than it normally is. So I'm really sorry. I know that I've gotten messages from you guys already about me taking down my P.O. box, but I can't afford this, you guys. $73, and I didn't pick it out. I don't know what it is, and I hope it's really cool. So somebody sent me packing cubes. Thank you. A hand warmer, which is electric. An electric hand warmer. So the big item that was in here is actually pretty cool. It's something that I did want to try. I don't have a lot of space in my minivan. As you guys know, it's a minivan. And so I didn't want to buy this because I didn't want to take up more space with something that I'm probably not going to use. I am appreciative of it, and I am very grateful that you guys send me things. But I can't afford it anymore. And especially because it's not like this is a small item, you know? This is one of those camp ovens like Chrome has. And I have wanted to try one. Thank you, but I can't afford to keep sending these packages to myself. Thank you very much, though. I do really appreciate it. I also wanted to quickly mention that I don't know who sent me these. All that came in it was these little shipping receipts, and it doesn't have a name on it at all. So whoever sent it to me, thank you very much. Denying livestock from water is prohibited. Good morning, everybody. So today is actually the first day in a long time where I have just nothing to do. It's very nice having that feeling. Like I don't have to run errands. I don't have to do much. I've just been kind of taking the time to organize the van a little bit because it got completely destroyed from Schooly Palooza. Yeah, we got to work on that, but that's okay. You know, we have all day to do whatever we want. Oh, it feels so nice. Also, the spot we're in is super great. I really like our spot. Proud of Sarah and Aaron for finding this because the views are just great all the way around us, like 360 degrees. We only have one neighbor in sight, which got here after we were already here. So, I mean, before that, we didn't have like anybody in sight from where we're at, which is very nice. I really like that. And I didn't even set anything up because it's supposed to be like super windy tomorrow. Tomorrow it's supposed to have like 25 to 45 mile per hour winds, up to like 60 mile per hour gusts. So I just decided there's no point in setting things up because it's all just gonna get knocked down tomorrow. One last thing, you guys like my poncho? I got it from the big tent thing yesterday. Yeah. And if you notice, I didn't actually go into the big tent. I just, by the time that I went through like all the vendors that are kind of outside of it, it was time for me to go pick up my mail because they only have a very short time slot, and it was 12 to 1 and you have 1 hour to get your mail. And I thought it was 11 to 1, but I forgot that they take their lunch. Like this post office like closes down completely for an hour from 11 to noon. And so then general delivery pickup is 12 to 1. And so I had to like book it out of there to make sure that I got there. But we made it. We got our package. It's all gravy. So Sarah has a cat named Pam, and she made her way into my little van. Hey, Pam. Hi. Hi, Pam. You go check out our bed?
She might fall asleep on your driver's seat.
Don't mind the mess, everybody. We just woke up, okay? I haven't made the bed yet. Hey,
Oh my gosh, you guys. So Aaron makes her food sometimes. And like, look at how cute this is. He made her an egg with a little sriracha heart. Isn't that so adorable? You guys need to find you a man like Aaron. He's gonna cook for you and make you eggs with hearts on them.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys, so Sarah, Aaron, and I are actually going to go on a little adventure up the road here. There's kind of like a little bit of history and rocks and stuff. I'm not really sure, actually. We're going to go find out. And so that's Aaron there getting our car ready. And that is their 24-foot Class C. I think it's a really good idea that they have this small car so they can go and do fun day trips like this, because I never do that. Usually once I'm in my spot, I'm like, good. So it's exciting. We're gonna go on a little adventure. Yay, we're going on an adventure with my new Schoolie Palooza friends. We got Aaron driving over here and we have Sarah over here. Hey guys. It's like a little mushroom. so much fun.
Yeah, that was so great. I'm glad you were like so game to like go like on our hikes.
I'm down for anything.
Us too. Oh, we'll turn around.
Hey, Joey. He's such a cutie pie. Hi, bud. I wanted to show you guys what I was making for lunch. So I'm making some quesadillas, and I have this chow Mexican style cheese and this two-footy cream cheese. And I also put some beans in there. This is a finished one. Mmm. And then I'm also making some red enchilada sauce, and I'm gonna dip it in. I'm so excited. It looks so good. Yum. This is by far like the superior vegan cheese, by the way, in case you're interested. Well, we just got done having our desert double feature under the stars, which was amazing. We watched Encanto and Soul. Both 10 out of 10. Amazing, amazing movies. It was really nice having this week after RTR and then Schoolypalooza to just kind of chill and relax and meeting new friends who I really relate to and just feel very comfortable with. It's very nice to have that after such a busy 2 weeks. So I just want to give a quick shout out to Sarah and Aaron, or that RV over there. I just want to say thank you guys for welcoming into your space and just really just accepting me for who I am. And I just love you guys. You guys are so amazing. So yeah, I think this is where I'm going to end this vlog because we are leaving here tomorrow. We're going to be caravanning to Lake Havasu. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe below. And thank you for being here and watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I'll also put a link for my Patreon in the description box below in case you're interested in checking that out and helping support my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!